Okay, good day everyone. This is another system, another device before us that we have complaint from the client that it powers on, but it does not have any display. There is a display, but a hidden display. And how do I mean? The backlight is burnt, so there's a need for us to work on the backlight. It's an Hisense, or is a Hisense television. It's a 32 inches TV, and then it's LED technology. So we are going to be opening it and then find out what the problem is. The problem can either be on the board or the LED itself that will require that will remove the screen, and that's a very delicate work that anybody doing that will need to be extra careful so that there won't be the damage of the screen. So we are going to remove the back cover and then come back for the video. So now this is well, the back cover of the system has been opened right now, and we want to see what the problem is. This is a very simple board that has a combination of both the signal PCB and that of the power put together. So there is a power session and there is a signal session, so it has both of them together. Usually I don't like this kind of board. If any of the, for instance, the signal board has a problem, and the power is still okay, the entire board is bad. So, but for that of for that of TVs that have separate boards, separate board for the power and that of the one that processes the signal, I think that's preferable, so that if the signal board has issue, you can focus on that. Probably if you need to change it, you can change it easily, and the power board will still be useful. So this is the LED session. Here is the LED session. You can see a pop-up diode here. I mean a pop-up a capacitor. As if it's bad. Here I'm looking at it. Here is where we have. Okay. All right. Let's see the output diode for the lights, for the LEDs, the backlights. Okay. So the diode is okay. Now let us power it on and see if there is going to be an output, because I suspect that this capacitor is the reason behind the backlight failure. Now let me bring the power cable and see if we can power it on and check the complaint ourselves, check what the problem is, because the client complained that there is no backlight, that it is coming on. Yes, okay, you can see the LED here. LED is LED here, so no backlight according to him, showing faintly. You can see, is there anything? Can I see anything on screen? Let me power it on. Is there anything wrong with the cable? Okay, LED is on. Is it showing anything? All right, in order not to waste time, the power is coming on actually. but there is no output, no what's it called, display. So we are going to lose this. That capacitor requires a change from what I'm seeing. Need to check the value of the capacitor, the microfarad of that capacitor. That's the capacitance of the capacitor, and the voltage. So we need to check these two specification. Let's remove the plug for the LED, and also very dusty, full of dusts everywhere. Okay, need to okay. All right, so this is the capacitor here. The capacitor is rated, let me check, I'm trying to check the capacitance of the capacitor. Is hidden kind of. Okay, 330. But usually I like to test the LED itself and see if the LED is actually good. I have a tester for the LED here. I have a tester for the LED. Sometimes, so I also have done that before removing the board. Let's test the LED. Now, let's put it to DC volt session. The red plug to red and black to black. So let's take it aside so it won't breach. Now, the LED needs to be tested. Is it still on? All right, still on. So I will just put this here, and check the LED. Now, if I check the screen, the output from these two, clips, crocodile clips, is giving us 143 DC volts. Now let us check if that powers our LED. We will see the reflection at the back here if it's working. So if it comes on, that means our LED is good. Now we are getting the value on the screen is reducing to 3. It's 3, it's 31. Now look at it. There's no, yeah, I can see voltage. Can see. Check it very well. You see that the LED is coming, is glowing around here. Check very well. Can you see? Can you see the light? Can you see any light? Let me remove it. Check. Can you see? Check it carefully. You see light comes on. Check it here. I'm talking about here. Now you will see the light comes on. Now let me take it. Let me take the connection off. The light has gone. So that means the LED is good. LED is very okay. So the problem is the power to the LED. Power to the LED is bad. And then we need to quickly, and I suspect this capacitor. So we'll remove the capacitor now and find a replacement for it. That's if we are able to get a replacement. We will. Where are the terminals for the capacitor? This and this, I guess. Okay. In the very hot soldering iron to do this. Otherwise, capacitor will not be removed. It has a soldering on both faces, at this side and the other side. So it needs to be we need a very hot soldering iron to be able to remove such double soldering. It's always very difficult to remove that kind of such components. Finally removed. This capacitor is bad. This capacitor is bad. You can see that it's bulb is popped up. It's popped. Popped. Can you see it? It's already focusing. So we need to change it. So the value is said I needed to check. So 35 volts, 330 microfarad. 35 volts, check it. 35 volts, 330 microfarad. All right. So let's seek for it and come back for the video. Okay, so now we have been able to find a capacitor. Check what we have gotten. Check what we have gotten. So this is 35 volts. 35 volts. Yeah. Showing this camera is trying to focus. 35 volt 330 microfarad. So which is the same as the one we removed. I'm sure you can see clearly. I want us to have a look at it on screen. Look at it. Sorry, the camera is trying to focus. Yes, correct. So 330, and the other one, which is yeah, 35 volts, 330 as well. So we'll quickly change it and then come back. Okay, so it has been soldered. It's been soldered. I mean, it's been soldered right now. And then I was going to say it has been installed. It has been inserted. Then we'll need to just solder it now, which we are doing right now. So we'll cut off the excess terminal using this nail cutter. So I had to look for how to get this done. Okay, so let us fix it back now. Now let's see. Let's couple everything back. Return the back cover. Insert everything and see if the LED works, and there's a display on the screen as against how it was brought for us for repairs. So we'll be doing that right away, and let's see the result of this test. Thank you. We'll come back while I haven't done the coupling. All right, so we are going to test the TV now. I haven't done what we did, so let's just quickly test and see if the backlight issue has been resolved. So the system here is, you can see the LED on. Can you show the LED? LED is showing now. It's all right. Let me turn the TV around for us to see how we can power the TV. Trying to, by now it should be showing the screen. Is it on now? So we can see Hisense TV showing. So the LED has been fixed and the TV is back on again. So just in case you have not subscribed, you are watching this video, this is Nitty-Gritty Electronic Repairs. So if you have not subscribed, please kindly do so and like our videos, share it as well. And then for some of us that have been watching before now, can as well also, like our videos and share them, comment on them, ask questions that you feel you need to ask on this video that you just watched, and we'll do well to respond to you. Thank you and see you in the next video.